Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Shivangi Agarwal, a freelance writer and the founder of Writerina.com. Writerina is basically a platform where I help newbie writers assess their writing skills and upgrade their skills in writing and content marketing. Welcome to this short video tutorial from Writerina. First, a quick question. What's your favorite tool or strategy to come up with the right keywords for your content? Or are you still struggling to find the right tool to search the right keywords? If yes, this video is for you. Because today I'm going to show you how to come up with the right keywords for your content in 5 minutes flat. Yes, you heard that right. Only 5 minutes to search the right keywords for your content. As you know, there are many keyword research tools in the market. The most popular ones are SEMrush, Moz, Ahrefs, and Longtail Pro. However, the drawback is they all are paid tools. And as a beginner in content writing, you're not ready to pay for the paid tools. So what's the option? The simplest option is a free keyword research tool, that is Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is a free keyword research tool designed by the digital marketing expert Neil Patel. So let's get started and learn how to use Ubersuggest to search the right keywords for your content. First, type neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest in your Chrome browser. Once you land on the dashboard, type in the key phrase related to your niche. For example, I'm writing on freelance writing. So I will type the keyword freelance writing. Here you can set the country which you are targeting. Like I'm targeting the Indian audience, so I will type India. If you're targeting a worldwide audience, leave it as such. Then click on search. Once you click on search, the tool gives you certain parameters. First is the search volume for that keyword. Then the SEO difficulty, which reflects the competitiveness of that keyword. The paid difficulty, that is the competitiveness of that keyword in paid search. And the cost per click for that keyword, which means how much a business is ready to spend on that keyword. As you scroll down, you will see the trend for that keyword, how it has been trending over the past few months. Then you also see the clicks for the organic results and paid results for that keyword. You see other keyword ideas related to that keyword. And the content ideas or the top pages for that keyword. So I'll click on View All Keyword Ideas to select the best keyword for my blog post. When I do so, I get more keyword suggestions here, along with their search volume, cost per click, paid difficulty, and SEO difficulty. As I can see, freelance writing jobs has a higher search volume than freelance writing, though its cost per click is less than freelance writing. Freelance writing is a very broad term, so I would prefer going with this keyword, that is freelance writing jobs. Its search volume is good, it has a good cost per click, a lower paid difficulty, and it's not very competitive. So very easily I have come up with one keyword for my next blog post. Now I will take that keyword and pop it into the Google search bar. When I do this, I will get many blog posts. I'll scroll down right to the bottom of the page where I can see searches related to freelance writing jobs. This is a gold mine because here I get the keywords related to freelance writing jobs. I can use these as subheadings or the main headings for my next blog post. Yet another way to find related keywords is using the tool lsigraph.com. Type in lsigraph.com in your Chrome browser and pop in the primary keyword I have selected, that is freelance writing jobs, and click on generate. When you use the tool for the first time, it asks you for a verification. Here are the related keywords related to freelance writing jobs, according to the trend, the volume, and the cost per click. So you can choose the related keywords that are trending, have a good search volume, and a higher cost per click. So in this manner, you have got a list of keywords on which you can write your next content. Did you note the time? How much time did it take? Well, it would not be more than 5 minutes. Well, you may ask, why only Ubersuggest? You have another free keyword tool, that is Google Keyword Planner. Yes, you do have Google Keyword Planner, but does it give you all the features which Ubersuggest gives? Well, that's not the end of what Ubersuggest can do for you. In my next video, I will show you some more amazing things which you can do with Ubersuggest to come up with more keyword ideas. Till then, if you like this video, click on subscribe to get more updates about content writing and content marketing from Writerina. Have a good day.